Good morning students, myself Sapna Gautam, science teacher Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Fazilka. Students, we have discussed many topics of chapter 14, chemical effects of electric current in previous videos, and today we will discuss next topics of this chapter. Students, in previous video we have discussed that topics like liquid conduct electricity, how liquids conduct electricity when we use lemon juice, vinegar, salt solution, then liquids conduct electricity, and pure water do not conduct electricity. And structure of LED, what is the full form of LED, light emitting diode, we have discussed in previous video. We take a matchstick and join it with battery. We take a tray from discarded matchstick and around the coil of wire on the tray of matchstick and join with the battery, and free end of this wire, one end is joined with the tray of discarded matchstick and other end of wire is free. Okay. So this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal of the battery, and we kept compass needle in the discarded tray. We kept compass needle in the discarded tray, and when battery is working, when it gives the electric charge, it gives the electric current in the circuit, then it shows deflection. And here we join with the tester to complete the circuit, and we can see that after joining the battery and when battery is working, then magnetic compass shows deflection. So लेमन जूस या हम कोई भी लिक्विड ले सकते हैं, लेमन जूस, एंड विनेगर, साल्ट सॉल्यूशन, कुछ भी अगर हम लेते हैं तो ये जब कंडक्ट होगी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, देन मैग्नेटिक डिफ्लेक्शन शो होगा कंपस नीडल में, डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगी कंपस नीडल. तो इट मीन्स ये शो करता है कि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के इफेक्ट से कैसे मैग्नेट का इफेक्ट शो होता है किसी भी सर्किट में. ओके. एयर इज अ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ electricity. If there is some gapping between the ends of tester, then air is present there. So air is a poor conductor of electricity, और इसमें से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट नहीं होती. लेकिन in certain conditions we can say, in certain conditions some substances work like good conductor. कुछ कंडीशंस में सब्सटेंसेस जो हैं वो गुड कंडक्टर की तरह काम करते हैं कुछ सर्टेन कंडीशंस में, और वैसे एयर जो है वो पुअर कंडक्टर होती है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की। और क्या डज डिस्टिल्ड वाटर conduct electricity, conducts electricity or not? क्या डिस्टिल्ड वाटर जो है वो, क्या डिस्टिल्ड वाटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करता है? क्या डिस्टिल्ड वाटर कंडक्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और नॉट, या नहीं करता? सो डिस्टिल्ड वाटर जो प्योर वाटर होता है, इट डज नॉट कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट ऑल, बट इफ वी ऐड some salt in it, then it works like good conductor. अगर हम इसमें कुछ impurities ऐड कर देते हैं, salt ऐड कर देते हैं, when we add some salt in distilled water, then salt makes it conducting. And tap water, ponds का पानी, rivers, the water comes from tap, ponds, rivers, seas. They have some impurities. In it. Sea water has salt. So these impurities are present in the sea water, and when we take sea water और टैप वाटर, पॉन्ड्स, रिवर्स, इनका पानी जब हम लेते हैं, देन दे हैव सम इम्प्यूरिटीज इन इट, सो दे कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इजीली. दे कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी easily. Okay, so if we talk about distilled water, then it does not conduct electricity. When we add some salt in distilled water, then makes it conducting. तब ये conducting हो जाता है. जब हम इसमें कुछ impurities ऐड कर देते हैं तब ये conducting हो जाता है, otherwise not. So students, this is the main topic of today's video, magnetic effect of electric current and distilled water conducting electricity. When we make it, we can make it conducting if we add some impurities in it. Okay, and next and last topic, chemical effect of electric current, we will discuss in next video. So thanks, have a nice day.